Hey, what's up, everybody? Um, how are you? Got something to talk about today. I want to talk about a dream I had, and I'm feeling really nervous about it, but it keeps coming. It keeps coming back to mind, so I feel like I need to share about it for several reasons. Um, Part of the reason why I feel nervous about it is because I really hope to God that it is symbolic and not literal. Um, there was this guy at my job that came on really strong and kept talking about me coming to his house and meeting his dog, and it made me really uncomfortable. Just the way, just the stuff that he was saying, and I tried to laugh it off and ignore it, but then I had this dream, and once I had this dream, I don't know, I took it as a sign, and I just cut him off, basically. But so yeah, I don't think it's literal. I hope it's not literal. But anyway, the dream, I was I don't know, I was in the backyard of a house, and something happened, and the fence fell down. And on the other side of the fence, it wasn't my house. I was somewhere, I don't know where. And on the other side of the fence, when the fence came down, there were all these cages with dogs. They were like all pit bulls. I don't have this weird fear or bias against pit bulls, but there were pit bulls. And they started kind of like snarling and going crazy when they saw me and the people that I was with. And I left because it freaked me out. And I was in this house that was kind of set up like my ex-in-law's house, and I was on the second floor of the house. And outside the second floor of the house, there was like a deck with stairs that went down to the yard. And all these dogs came like running into the yard, and outside on the deck there were a bunch of kids on the deck, and inside the house there were a lot of kids too. It was, I don't they were all different ages. And these dogs, they came running up the stairs and knocked all the kids off the railing, and they were like just laying in the yard, and they were, some of them were bleeding. And these dogs, I didn't know what to do because there were still kids inside the house, and I didn't know, like, I went to go outside, and one of the dogs was on the deck and started like biting at me. So I didn't know whether to go outside and help these kids that were laying on the ground, or to stay inside and keep the ones that were inside the house safe. And I told one of the older kids to call 911. And these dogs, they were the dogs were all different ages too. So they were like black and white and tan and white and tan, and those are the colors of them. And they were older ones, and they were puppies, and they were in the yard, and they were just licking the blood of these kids. And for some reason I just knew that they had like a taste for blood. like human blood. And there was Akon songs were playing in my head, but it was lyrics from different songs all together as if it was one song. And so when I woke up, I had to kind of piece together the lyrics and figure out what the songs were. So when I looked up the lyrics of these songs, the 3 songs that were merged into one were Right Now, Dangerous, and Beautiful. And it was a really fucked up dream. And I don't know, it freaked me out. I don't think this guy at work was like, I don't know. It was so closely, the timing of it. I just took it as a sign for my personal life, but maybe it has nothing to do with him. And I jumped to conclusions, but I live my life as like better safe than sorry. So, like I said, I hope this dream is symbolic, and I hope there aren't actually dogs out there with a taste for human blood. But I feel like somehow there's like a message in there, and I don't know what it is. And I've also been dreaming a lot about pregnant women. One of my most recent readings was about a pregnant woman, and in my dream last night I was pregnant, and honestly I'm definitely not pregnant. And and there was somebody else that I know that was in my dream that was pregnant, and I don't know anybody who's pregnant. And I was washing all these baby clothes, so somebody's having a baby. And I guess the reason I'm sharing this is in case somebody actually is in danger, in case there is somebody that's pregnant and actually is in danger. I'm still trying to really understand how I'm supposed to be receiving messages. Tarot seems to be the easiest way for me to translate right now. So I go with that. But my dreams have been really crazy, and that dream in particular just felt like it was a real message. And so yeah. So that being said, I'm gonna pull some cards, and I'm gonna see what comes out. And I'm nervous about that because I just feel, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going to come out. I don't know. I haven't really, I've been ignoring it, but it just keeps coming up, and those songs keep playing. So I feel like it's a message for somebody, and if it's a message for me, and anything does happen to me, this is my testimony. So I'm going to pull some cards and see what happens. I want to smoke a cigarette from all that talking. 9 minutes. But I feel weird smoking on camera. I don't know why. Smoking is bad, okay, kids? Don't do it. I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a 9-card spread, because the 9-card spread gives me a nice layout. I can go, you know, past, present, future, you know, like it just, I just like the way it comes out. Jesus Christ. It's Queen of Wands, by the way. I've been, you know, I've been pulling cards on my own, and Queen of Wands and Five of Wands and King of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles, and I don't know. I live a pretty drama-free life, so I don't know why this just keeps coming out. And a lot of times the messages are for you guys. They got nothing to do with me. And I'm able to channel for some reason a lot more clearly when I turn the camera on. I don't know why, but it's like I have to connect with you to get the messages. So let's see what wants to come out. My hands are shaking. Four of Cups, Seven of Cups, Two of Cups. It's a lot of cups. I know I said I was going to do a 9-card spread, but I feel a lot of energy coming off of just these three. I don't know why, but I'm drawn to this this mouse. It's like this person is it's like this person's focused on this cup and they don't see what's going on down here. I just heard sabotage. While someone's looking and focused on this, there's a mice. Figurative, of course. Plotting behind the scenes. Someone's confused about a relationship. This energy is it just feels so sinister. I gotta clarify these cards. There's the Queen of Wands again, the High Priestess, and the Ace of Swords. I told you that the Queen of Wands, King of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, has been stalking me. I got the King of Pentacles, the Star, the Page of Swords. Somebody's watching this King of Pentacles while the King of Pentacles is watching somebody else. Or not necessarily watching somebody else. There's a Queen of Cups in the bottom of the deck. This King of Pentacles is being watched while they watch somebody else. I don't know who's watching them. With the Star. Could be somebody in the spotlight. Like I said with this Four of Cups, this King of Pentacles is distracted and is being watched. Page of Swords. What is this Page of Swords? Knight of Wands, Eight of Wands, and the Sun. I don't know, something's coming out. This Page of Swords. I just heard I know what you did. I don't know what this King of Pentacles did. But this Page of Swords sees it. Sun, Knight of Wands. Eight of Wands. I don't even want to know. Knight of Wands. Four Cups. I don't know. I'm feeling with the Knight of Wands and the Seven of Cups, and I'm just feeling a lot of partners. I don't see how that's a crime though. What is this, Star? Ugh. It's making me really uncomfortable. Star clarified by the Seven of Swords, Five of Swords, Four of Wands. It was somebody. This energy. I feel like I'm stepping into something that is just, I don't want to know. I prefer, I'd rather not know. This is something, this is something that this King of Pentacles thinks is hidden, thinks it's a secret, and this Page of Swords knows this King of Pentacles secret. Four of Wands, I assume it's, I mean, maybe it's just stepping out on a marriage, cheating. A lot of going behind your partner's back. Or maybe this King of Pentacles is distracted with an affair, not knowing that the person that he's married to knows everything. I mean, that could be it. Not knowing, thinking that it's all a secret, and this Page of Swords knows it all, knows what's going on. It's the Seven of Swords. Four of Wands. Five of Swords. It's a Five of Wands. Queen of Swords. Five of Wands. Four of Pentacles. Oh, this is not getting any better. The Hermit, the Strength, and the Six of Swords. Someone's sneaking out. Someone's sneaking out. And this Queen of Swords knows that there's competition. And we got, for the Four of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, the Ten of Cups, and the Page of Wands. It's a younger energy. It's a younger energy. This King of Pentacles is... Man, I feel like I'm ratting on somebody right now, and I don't like that. But I mean, if this is your story, you already know. If this is your story, you already know that this King of Pentacles is stepping out. You already know. With this Page of Wands, it's younger energy. I mean, fuck. Moving on. Seven of Cups, please. I don't see how this is gonna... Seven of Cups, please. Ten of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, the Sun. Emperor and Empress. I don't know what that's about. I'll separate those. Ten of Wands. Page of Pentacles and the Moon. Maybe this is the baby I was picking up on. We got the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. The Moon. What's the Moon? Page of Wands again. Ah, fuck. Page of Wands and the Emperor. This younger energy is pregnant. This is making me hot. Queen of Pentacles. I don't know why. I don't know why. I need to give this message. Queen of Pentacles, Empress, Three of Swords, Five of Swords, Eight of Swords. What the fuck? What is this Eight of Pentacles? This Queen of Pentacles is not confused. And this Queen of Pentacles is coming out of this mental entrapment. She knows. She knows. She knows. She's walking away. Eight of Cups. The Sun. It's almost like the Sun. Seven of Swords. Six of Cups. God damn it. fucking Seven of Swords again. It's the Emperor. Man, I don't know where the fuck this is going. This is just... What is this? Two of Cups, please? There's the fucking Queen of Wands. Knight of Swords, Hierophant, Queen of Wands, High Priestess. There's so many heads in this reading. It's... Maybe this is not a pregnancy, even though we have the Empress here, which usually the Empress is pregnant, but this Empress is not pregnant. This King of Pentacles is looking at somebody else. Either he's married or he's in a long-term relationship, and the person, this is Queen of Pentacles, she knows he's looking at an Empress. He's looking at an Empress, which could be a younger energy. It doesn't have to be illegally young. Please, God, don't let it be. And this Queen of Pentacles knows that this King of Pentacles is looking for an out. This Queen of Pentacles, I mean, pick your spot, man. I don't know. This is crazy. This Queen of Pentacles, this Queen of Pentacles is jealous and trapped in her head and heartbroken. This King of Pentacles is paying attention to this Empress and wants a fresh start. With this, I just smashed a mosquito on my finger. Oh. Wants a fresh start. And over here we have the Sun, the Six of Cups, the Emperor, and the Seven of Swords. Maybe this King of Pentacles is deciding to just boss up and admit that he's been focused on this Empress. This King of Pentacles is looking to walk away. And this Queen of Wands, I feel like this Queen of Wands is the same energy as this Empress, with the Knight of Swords, the Hierophant, and the High Priestess. This is fucking crazy. This is a lot of heartbreak, a lot of secrets, a lot of confusion, a lot of swords. Got the sun and the moon out here, and what's done in the dark will always come to light, and that's what's happening here. Something with this King of Pentacles. This King of Pentacles thinks that it's hidden, and it's not. It's not. I just keep hearing, I know your secret. I know your secret. What the fuck, man? I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what to do with this, or what it has to do with my dream. I don't think it has anything to do with my dream, because I don't feel any connection. This is fucking crazy, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this shit, because this energy is crazy. I feel really bad for this Queen of Pentacles. This Queen of Pentacles knows. She knows that he's got his eye on somebody else. And it's all about to fall apart. I don't know what to do with that. I don't know what to do with that. That's some fuckery. That's some fuckery. I don't know if this King of Pentacles has been stepping out, or maybe she suspected. This Queen of Pentacles suspected that he was stepping out, and so she followed him and found that he's watching somebody else. What else? Spirit? What am I supposed to do with this? Oh my God. High Priestess, Page of Swords, Ten of Wands, Hierophant, Queen of Swords. Again. High Priestess, Page of Swords, Ten of Wands, Queen of Swords. It's not a secret. You think it's a secret, it's not a secret. What is this High Priestess? Justice, King of Wands. What is this Page of Swords? Knight of Wands again. It's the second time. Knight of Wands, Page of Wands. Three of Wands. What is this? Ten of Wands. Page of Pentacles again. Fuck. Two of Wands. Two of Cups. What is this Page of Pentacles, please? Nine of Pentacles. Four of Wands. Ten of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. This shit is just, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, there are readers that read these situations all the time and they're totally comfortable with it, and I'm not. What is this Justice card? King of Swords, Knight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. The truth is coming out, man. And it's weird. It's like, we got the Queen of Swords over here. What is the Hierophant? Ten of Swords, Temperance. It's like something is ending and something is beginning, and somebody is going to be really hurt, and somebody is moving towards a better start. These partners are overlapping. We had the Queen of Wands before, now we have the King of Wands. What is this Queen of Swords, please? This Queen of Swords is the Moon, the Chariot, and Strength. I keep saying the same thing. It's the Queen of Cups again. With the Death. Ten of Swords. What is this Ten of Swords? It's clarifying the Hierophant. Five of Cups. The Devil. God damn it. This is fucking bananas, man. What is the Devil, please? Confusion. Nine of Pentacles. The Fool. Five of Cups. Empress. King of Pentacles, the Hangman. It's the King of Pentacles again. This King of Pentacles is watching this Empress. All right, listen. Here's the deal, okay? There's just so much energy happening here. All right, let me just lay this shit out, okay? This King of Pentacles was confused by the devil, okay? And missed out on an Empress. Five of Cups, Ten of Swords. This Queen of Swords, maybe the King of Pentacles moved towards a Queen of Swords instead of moving towards this Empress. Moved towards this Queen of Swords and built a foundation with this Queen of Swords while still wanting this Empress. This is some soap opera shit, man. While still wanting this Empress, still watching this Empress, still hoping, wanting, and wishing, but at the same time acting childish, Knight of Wands, like stepping out on this Queen of Swords, just living in a relationship, acting single. What the fuck, man? This is like almost 40 minutes of fuckery right now. I don't even know. I don't even know. The truth is coming out. Whoever is the Empress in this situation doesn't even know this shit is going on. The Empress is just being the Empress. While there's all this fuckery and lower energy going on, this King of Pentacles be fucking around. This Queen of Swords knows it all. He thinks he's keeping secrets. He wants this fresh start with this Empress, but he can't even get near her because he's all caught up in whatever the fuck this is. Yo, I don't know what to tell you, man. This, whoever y'all are, this relationship, this Queen of Swords, King of Swords, Justice, Secrets, the Moon, all that shit needs to be cleaned up before you even think about coming near that Empress. And whoever this King of Pentacles is, he knows that. He doesn't know what to do because he's caught up in this whole fuckery relationship spiderweb nonsense, doing shit in the dark, bro. I don't know. I don't even know if this fucking reading made any sense. I really don't. I didn't expect any of that. I'm going to cleanse the shit out of my cards and just start all over again. Good luck with that. You're still beautiful, and I still love you. That's it. I'm out.